How to use IRS Form 1099-C for charge-off removal? Introduction to the 1099-C and charge-off removal. This video serves as an educational guide to using IRS Form 1099-C for removing charge-offs from your credit report. A charge-off can negatively affect your credit score even after the debt is forgiven or canceled. By understanding how to leverage this form, you can take steps to improve your credit and financial standing. What is a 1099-C? The 1099-C is a form issued by creditors to report the cancellation of debts of $600 or more. The IRS treats canceled debt as taxable income for the debtor unless certain exceptions, such as insolvency or bankruptcy, apply. Typically, the form reflects only the principal balance of the debt and excludes interest or fees. For example, if a creditor forgives $672 in principal debt on a credit card, the 1099-C will report that amount but exclude interest or additional charges. Even though the debt is canceled, it may still appear on your credit report, negatively impacting your credit score. Tax implications of canceled debt. When a debt is canceled, the IRS considers the forgiven amount as taxable income, which must be reported on your tax return. However, there are exceptions. Insolvency: if your liabilities exceed your assets, you may not need to include the canceled debt as taxable income. Bankruptcy: debts discharged in bankruptcy are not considered taxable income. Understanding these tax implications is crucial when addressing charge-offs with a 1099-C. Identifiable events leading to a 1099-C. A 1099-C can be issued under several circumstances, including bankruptcy, expiration of the statute of limitations. Typically, debts over 7 years old may be canceled and reported with a 1099-C. Debt relief through probate proceedings. Even after a debt is canceled due to these events, the charge-off may remain on your credit report, affecting your score. Obtaining a 1099-C. To obtain a 1099-C, visit the IRS website and log into the IRS portal. Access your tax records and transcripts, which include canceled debts reported on 1099-C forms for the past 9 to 10 years. Review these documents to identify any relevant 1099-C forms. Having this form is a critical step in addressing charge-offs on your credit report. Using the 1099-C for charge-off removal. The 1099-C serves as evidence that a debt has been forgiven by the creditor. This document can be used to request the removal of charge-offs from your credit report. Here's how. Check your IRS records for any 1099-C forms issued in the past 9 to 10 years. If you find a 1099-C related to a charge-off, use it to dispute the negative item on your credit report. Provide the form as proof of debt cancellation when disputing the charge-off with credit reporting agencies. Removing charge-offs can significantly boost your credit score, often by 50 to 100 points, depending on the situation. Example of a 1099-C. Consider a canceled credit card debt with Wells Fargo totaling $672. The 1099-C issued will reflect only the principal amount canceled, not any interest or fees. This document can be submitted to credit reporting agencies to request the removal of the related charge-off from your credit report. Building credit and financial stability. Understanding and using tools like the 1099-C is essential for improving your credit score and financial future. Removing charge-offs is an important step toward building assets and achieving financial goals. Conclusion and next steps. This educational content aims to empower you with knowledge about the 1099-C and its role in charge-off removal. By leveraging this form, you can take actionable steps to enhance your creditworthiness.